All right, guys, I'm Travis Ghent. I work for Forest River Salem, Wildwood. We're here with a new floor plan. This is our 300ICE. This comes in both Salem and Wildwood. DeMontrond RV will be stocking this at the Springs location and Texas City. Just under 8,000 pounds, overall length of 35 foot 10. But come on in, let's check out this floor plan. So when you walk in, you've got a true back bunk room set up there. Two separate bunks back there. If you stay in that angle right there, you can see that if the kids in the back want the option of dropping this down into a full-size bed, you can. This is actually same size as a king would be. So coming around back here, you've got this game set up down below. That opens up into a true queen size as well. So essentially, you know, you've got king here, king up front, and a queen down below if you want it. We've got additional seating here if you want to open up this table here. This is our televator right here. We got a motorized TV. So on a hinge. So the reason we do this, you know, get it out of the way during the day. Your campfire side over here. So you want to open it up, get your view here. Good cross breeze with a lot of natural light. This is going to be one of our top selling floor plans here. We jackknife this out. This opens up. It's got our blade lighting system in here up top. So this is all dimmable lighting. You can see the accent lighting we have in here as well. Something really cool with our new 300ICE and new Salem Wildwood floor plans. We have our one control remote system right here. So you can actually, you know, pull into the campsite, kind of spot check where the trees are, you know, where the spot is, and open up your entire trailer from, you know, slide outs to awning, control the, you know, lights from the fireplace out there. If you're sitting out by the fire, turn up the music, do all that. This actually goes right onto your phone too, an app on your phone. So fireplace underneath here. Now that will kick out a little bit of heat too. Obviously it's not going to heat the whole unit, but it takes the chill off in the morning. Did a bit of a separator here to kind of set the kitchen aside from the living space over here. Kind of an aesthetics thing here. We went with microwave underneath here. So kind of covers up the microwave, cleans up the kitchen a little bit. But coming back here through the bathroom into the bedroom, you can see we've got, you know, pass-through bath. Big shower in here. Coming into here, this is our VersaTilt bed. The reason we do this, what this actually does, it gives the customer an option to utilize the bedroom. This is on a motor, so it goes up and it comes down, so you can see how it, you know, lays out. But it gives you an extra 18 inches of walk around space during the day, you know, to actually utilize your bedroom. You've got storage in the closet right there, your washer dryer prep. So you got two entry points here. You know, if you got people hanging out in the living room there, you've got an entry point to, you know, the rear area, and then you've got private entry into the bedroom and into the bathroom. If you want to come out here and take a look at the exterior here with the blade lighting, we've got, you know, put a fridge outside. We did outside shower on this as well. A lot of manufacturers go backside with the outside shower. We like to do it on campside. That way if you're washing off your feet, washing off dishes, you're right by the door right there. So outdoor TV set up here as well. But yes, so this unit will be in Salem at DeMontrond Springs location, DeMontrond, Texas City, and then they'll have it at multiple locations as well. So 300ICE in both Salem and Wildwood.